Hi, my name is Paul Dickerson and we're here today at CST Performance Suspension. I'm the production manager. I've been here for 15 years manufacturing our own product here in the United States. We manufacture high quality lift kits that are second to none to anybody else in the industry. Everything that we do here is made in-house. We have a full CNC machine shop, plasma cutter, CNC bandsaws. So what you're about to see today is a variety of what we do here in-house in our product. In our machine shop we have a VF5 mill, a VF2 mill, an ST30 CNC lathe, an SL30 lathe, and a Millmaster BV5. All these machines help us to control our quality and our quantity to get the products done to the specifications that we want them done. With our welding processes, our welders go through extensive training to meet the specifications that we are looking for. Not only do our welders have to weld these products strong and meet certain specifications, but they also have to look nice. Our product will look nicer than anybody else's product on the market. Our customers, before they open a box, already have a preconceived notion of what they're looking for, and it is our welders' job to accomplish that with everything they weld day in and day out. When you compare our parts side by side with any competitor's parts, there's no comparison to the strength and quality and looks of how well our welders can weld our product together. They're able to do anything from 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch to 1 inch thick material, depending on what's used for that application that they're building. And every single thing is not only going to be strong, but is going to look nicer than anybody else's. So as part of our manufacturing process, once the welders have assembled everything and got their parts welded together, we send it to a parts cleaning process that our guys take an extra step to ensure that the parts that our customers get are going to be nice, are going to be clean, free of burrs. Not only does it help with the looks of the product, when you pull it out of the box or when you look under the truck and see our stuff on that truck, it's going to be smooth, it's going to be clean, no sharp edges, no extra burrs anywhere. And we want to do that to ensure that that's one extra step of quality that we want to take on our products that the customer will get. Another thing that CST has to offer is we manufacture our own line of shocks. We have 2.0 emulsion shocks, 2.0 reservoir shocks, 2.5 emulsion shocks, 2.5 reservoir shocks, 2.5 coilover shocks. Everything that we build is built specific to our kits. When you want to buy our kit, you can get the kit and you can get the shocks to match that is specific to the application of that vehicle. We do all the machining in-house for all of our shocks. We do all of the assembly in-house. We have guys that are trained, that are full-time in a shock program and that do nothing but assemble shocks. That way we can provide the best quality and the best ride to our customer, and you can get the entire package from us, from the lift kit to the shocks. You can get the 2.0 shocks all the way up to the 2.5 shocks, depending on your applications and your needs. We also have our own in-house CNC plasma cutter. This allows us to control not only the quality of the parts coming off the line, but it controls the volume and how soon we get the stuff done. This plasma cutter is all computer controlled. We're able to plug in all of our CAD drawings from research and development to full production. And with this machine, it allows us to cut any material from 60 thousandths of an inch all the way up to 1 inch thick without any problem in full production process. With our R&D process, we have ideas and products that are conceived in the office with our R&D department, and we're able to do all the CAD drawings, visualize and draw everything that's needed. We have our own lift, We can bring the trucks in. We can cut all the parts that we need on our plasma cutter, our saw, or in our machine shop. We get that welded together. We're able to pre-fit every single part, put the truck together, take it to alignment, and know that everything is going to fit on the truck properly before it ever is released to production. We build all our own fixtures, and then at that point, once everything is done, the research and development department is able to release it to production, or we can start making large quantities to get in inventory and send out to the end user. We are equipped with a full CNC machine shop in-house. We have 2 CNC mills and 2 CNC lathes. In those machines, we machine everything from our brake tabs to our spindles to the base plates. We machine all our own castings in-house. We machine all of our tapers, and anything necessary that goes to our kits and our product is done here in-house by our guys here in Moreno Valley, California. Our castings and our cast spindles are cast here in Los Angeles, California, and they are shipped from the foundry to our location, and we do all the machining here in-house. We try to do our machining in 2 operations. You have the first operation that does the hub surfaces, and then we have a 4th axis on a trunnion table, and we put the spindles in there, and from there, with the trunnion table and 4th axis on our Haas VF5, we are able to do the next 10 operations in 1 cycle. And so every hour it is putting out a new set of spindles that is done product, ready to clean and be packaged and ship out of our doors to the customer, to the end user. With our product, the material, we order the raw steel and the material comes in the door. If it's flat steel, round steel, tubing, bar, and it gets cut up, whether on the plasma cutter or on the saw, it'll work its way through the assembly line, machine shop, welding process, get cleaned, deburred. At that point, it is ready to get stacked onto pallets and be shipped out to our local powder coater. Once that product's done at the powder coater, at that point we can start to assemble and put all the hardware in the boxes with the instructions and get these boxes prepared to get an inventory so that we can sell and ship out to the end user. When we first started this company 19 years ago, we started in the back of a garage with a 1-lift shop, and we have taken that company, and through our superior innovation and quality that the customers are asking for, we have grown that into the building and business that you see now, that you know as CST Performance Suspension. In closing, you would want to use CST Performance Suspension parts for a multitude of reasons that I've touched on in this video. The biggest of which is going to be the superior quality of the product, from the fitment to the strength to the looks to how well it works on the vehicles.